Bespoke AI laundry combo? How amazing is it? Just one upgrade and my daily life got so much easier. Here's how our daily life has changed. The best thing about the Bespoke AI laundry combo? It takes up less space with its all-in-one. With the extra space, I added cabinets and stored more things. Now my laundry room stays neat and organized. Pretty great, right?
Yeah, it really does. Forgot your workout clothes? Just use the Super Speed Cycle. And they're ready to wear in no time. From wash to dry, it's super quick and effortless.
How about a game of chess while the workout clothes get washed? Now I can fully focus on my chess game while the laundry goes from wash to dry. Before, I had to stop whatever I was doing to move the laundry, worried it might smell if left too long. But with the Bespoke AI laundry combo, drying starts automatically right after washing. No need to check the dryer in between. I had no idea it would be this convenient. Game over! I win! Thanks, Bespoke AI laundry combo.
One game of chess and my workout clothes are already done. So fast, right? Warm, fluffy clothes, best feeling ever. All right, time to go work out.
Save time, save energy, all in one combo.